Welcome. Today we are considering excretion. Excretion is removal of metabolic waste from our body like urea and uric acid. Urea and uric acid can be used as fertilizers for the plants. Now let's see the components of the excretory system. It consists of a pair of kidneys. The left kidney is larger than the right kidney. This is believed that the left kidney is towards the heart. That's why this is bigger than the right kidney. It consists of pair of ureter. Ureter is the long tube running from the kidney to the urinary bladder. I repeat, ureter is the long tube running from the kidney to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder stores the urine from our body. It collects the urine from our body, and there is presence of a urethra. Urethra is a fibromuscular tissues which open when the signal is received from the brain to pass out the urine to the body. Kidney is basic filtration unit of our body, same as nephrons are structural and functional unit of kidney. They are present in million numbers in the kidney. They perform three main functions, and number one is ultrafiltration. Number one is ultrafiltration. In this, the blood brings the waste material from the body, which is collected in the Bowman's capsule. This capsule, there are large number of capillaries present in the Bowman's capsule. Okay, the waste material like the water, the salts, minerals are filtered in this Bowman's capsule, which are brought by the afferent arterioles. Okay, it also brings the larger molecules like the proteins, which are go out by the afferent arterioles, means the large proteins move out by the afferent arterioles to the other body. And then the second part is reabsorption. As the name suggests, the reabsorption is it absorbs the useful material from the nephron and sent back to the body, like the water, the basic ions are absorbed back into the nephron and sent back to the body. And third is tubular secretions. Third is tubular secretions. Okay, in this process, like the PCT, DCT, Henel's loop. Okay, PCT, DCT, Henel's loop maintain the ionic balance in the urine. It produces the ions in the tubules. Okay, this can be known as the ascending ion. This is the descending ions, and there is presence of the collecting duct. Then the urine is collected in the collecting duct. This is all about the nephron. You know, when your kidney is damaged, it is cured by the artificial kidney or the hemodialysis. Artificial kidney removes the nitrogenous waste from our body. It is done with the help of dialysis. Let's see how dialysis takes place. A blood is taken from a person with the damaged kidney from the arteries. This arteries, the blood is pumped to the semi-permeable membrane. Semi means half, permeable means permission. It has the permission to pass to the fluids in it. This fluid, the fresh dialysis solutions, consist of the same osmotic pressure as the blood, but it is devoid of the nitrogenous waste. This nitrogenous waste is collected in another apparatus. Okay, it is removed from the body. Okay, the basic function of the dialysis is to remove the nitrogen, and it is removed in this device. Now the fresh blood or purified blood is passed back into the body to the veins, and this person gets relief. But this dialysis does not reabsorb the useful nutrients in it. 180 liters is the initial filter stage in humans, but only 1 to 2 liter of the water is urinated for the every person, and rest is reabsorbed in the person. This is all about the dialysis and excretion. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Science-olic. Thank you.